Ever wondered how to grow your savings? Here's a quick guide to get you started. First, set clear, achievable savings goals. Whether it's for a vacation, a new car, or your retirement, having a target can motivate you to save more. Next, consider using the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This simple strategy can help you budget effectively and save regularly. Finally, remember to build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and having a financial safety net can give you peace of mind. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it until you have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses set aside. Remember, saving money is a journey, not a destination. So take it one step at a time, stay patient, and watch your savings grow. Your future self will thank you. And that's a wrap on Savings 101. Catch you on Help the People channel. Leaves us a comment or two. We love to hear about your money mastering skills. Watch the next one.